I tried 5 different types of yoga, and I don't like yoga. I know I look like I do, so that's confusing, but I promise I don't. You probably click on this video because you want to see me struggle while doing something I don't like. So here's one of those days, and try to guess what popped.
Like stepping it forward, coming into your low lunge on the left side.
Hatha, Ashtanga, Iyengar, Restorative, and Vinyasa are the 5 types Google told me are the most common in the States, so that's what I picked. I tried yoga because I don't like it, but there has to be a reason why millions and possibly billions of people do like it. A big reason after many years of therapy I don't like yoga is that I'm a trauma baby with PTSD, so sitting with myself and being repositioned is super uncomfortable. I did learn about trauma-trained yoga instructors, so if you want information about that, check the description. But my trauma isn't the only reason I don't like it. I noticed that a lot of my guy friends just don't like it either, and like me, don't see how it makes sense as a type of working out. Unlike yoga, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, turning on the notification bell, and clicking the like button. So the big questions I had were why mostly men don't like yoga and what are the differences, because they all look the same with the same poses. I obviously didn't have the answers to my yoga questions, but I sat down with Christina Rosso from yogaalignmentguide.com, where they have some of the best tips and tricks for beginners like me. Check the description for links to her website and yoga guides. Hey Christina, so why do you think I and usually men like me not like yoga?
I think a lot of guys, they don't want to relax. They want to like go to the
Right.
gym and build muscle and get their heart rate going, which you can do in yoga, just in a bit of a different way. So I think like the leggings and the tight clothes and the stretching and the flexibility, a lot of guys aren't very flexible. They don't understand like the reasoning for why they should be doing it. So what benefits that they will gain from it.
You're absolutely right. And I usually always want to see gains, but I still don't know the differences between all of the types of yoga. What are those?
Hatha yoga is kind of like the umbrella term for all types of the physical practice of yoga.
Interesting.
And so when you typically go to like a hatha class, it's more of like a gentle style yoga. So that would have been similar to the yoga with Adrian one that you did. Okay, so with restorative, that's more so to just like calm the nervous system, relax the body, and relax the different. So say you're laying on like a pillow, for instance, like along your spine. That response will kind of help the muscles relax, knowing that there's like a connection to something. So restorative is great for calming the body, calming the mind. And then when you get to Iyengar, it's similar to Hatha, but it's more so body positioning alignment based. So Ashtanga and Vinyasa are similar, but because they're more faster paced, right? It's more of like a flow. You're not holding poses for too many breaths and you're flowing directly into the next pose. That's what you experienced, right? Whereas Vinyasa incorporates those poses. Vinyasa incorporates pretty much whatever pose you want, but Vinyasa means to place in a special way.
Okay, see, now that's super helpful. Thanks, Christina. I didn't like being told I was being powerful, but listen, Adrian is a great coach. She's really the first person you find when you type yoga into YouTube. I'm pretty sure it was Vinyasa. Did Ashtanga yoga, and I didn't make it the whole practice. I was so confused by the names of the moves that I stopped at 12 minutes and went back to Adrian. Since I don't know all the poses that are in Ashtanga, of course I wouldn't be able to do it. I don't recommend doing this type of yoga for beginners.
Day 3.
I did Hatha yoga and I loved it. The poses were simple and easy to follow. I definitely recommend this for beginners.
I almost threw up a little bit. I don't know what that could be from.
Now switch sides. Taking the left leg, stepping it forward, coming into your low lunge on the left side.
That was my knee that just popped.
After years of requesting, I did yoga with my wife. It was meant to be for the morning, but we did it in the afternoon because I was really sick the night before, and all of my practices had been in the afternoon so far. By this time I knew that there are some basic moves that each type has. Child's Pose, Downward Dog, Warrior One, and Shavasana, where you just lay on your back. So restorative yoga for day 5 felt like the right move since I needed to restore my body, but I was wrong. I didn't like it at all, since it was the one that forced me to be with myself the most. It was interesting to sit in positions for much longer than I was used to. I found myself appreciating other days more, and actually understanding the final Shavasana pose more at the end. I find it very interesting that yoga, the thing that I thought was all about restoring, has a built-in rest day. 5 different types of yoga done, and do I still hate it? Not as much, actually, and it's exciting to be learning more about it. I'll be trying more things that I hate, so next time I'll be trying tea. I really hate tea. It's just hot brown water, as Ted Lasso said. So, see you next time when I try tea. And thank you so much for watching.